Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about this compact. This is from the brand Sugar. This is their Sugar Powder Play Banana Compact. They also have banana loose powder, and I'm not a fan of loose powder because it's really very messy. I don't know about others how they use it, but I don't like anything. I don't like to use loose powder because it's really messy. Like when you're applying, it drops here and there, and it's like a mess for me. At least for me to use loose powder. So when this got launched, I really wanted to try this, and I got this, and I am really happy overall because it does its job pretty well. And yeah, so let me tell you first about the price. This is for 599 rupees, and you get around 5 grams quantity. Yeah, and this is how the packaging looks like. This is the interior packaging. This is the main product. It comes in a plastic form like this, like a normal simple compact. Usually it comes like this, and this is a mirror here, and this is the banana powder. You can see the color. It's slight yellow. This color will suit Indian skin tones. I think all skin tones will you can use this. I don't know about like darker skin tones, but for me it really worked well. And the other thing we get is the sponge. This is the sponge, you can see, and it's really nice sponge, and it doesn't take too much of the product. You just have to dab it like this and just apply on your face like this properly, and you're good to go. I really like this packaging because it's travel friendly. It's not that big, and it has a mirror, and it has that sponge which is really nice. It doesn't take a lot of product. You just have to dab it and apply it on your face, and you are done. So I'll just show you the outer packaging also. This is how the outer packaging looks like. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this, and all the details about the product is printed behind the box like this. And yeah, so let me just read a bit what the brand talks about the product. It says it is a skin perfecting powder that reduces shine, sets makeup for longer wear, and adds a warm highlight to the skin. It creates a smooth base, is long lasting, oil controlling, and suitable for subtle baking. And it said it's to color correct, mask shine, and absorb excess oil. It does not give any flashback, provides instant brightness, and with a slightly yellow tint, it adds highlight to certain areas of the face. It's suitable for all skin types, and it is fragrance free and vegan. So that is really good. And basically, if you all know that banana powder main job is to control the shine on the face, and it really does that job on the face, guys. I'm not bluffing or something, or I'm not just saying for the heck of it. I really like this product, and I have very oily skin, and I tend to get too much of oil on my face. And I now, because of COVID, we can't go too much out, so I usually don't apply any kind of makeup, and I'm using this compact whenever I'm going out. Anyway, we can't put a lot of makeup unless we are going for any function or any kind of event or something. So I just put this powder on my face, and I put my kajal, and I'm done. I don't have to put lipstick also because it's just hidden behind the mask. So I just use this. I'm just loving this compact. Basically, it does a pretty good job. It controls the oil on my face. It doesn't make my skin look shiny or greasy. And whenever I feel I need a touch up, I just remove it from my handbag, and I just see in the mirror and just dab it on my face with this applicator or the sponge, and good to go. So I really like overall result. It's not expensive, and it doesn't have any kind of smell. And the color, I think this color will suit all skin type, especially fair to medium skin tone. I don't know about the darker skin tone how it will look like, but for me it really worked well. It just looked like my skin color, and it does highlight the face. Like if I apply it under my eye, it highlights my face. Right now, frankly speaking, guys, I'm not wearing foundation. I'm just wearing the compact and little bit blush and lipstick and kajal and little bit of eyeshadow. That's it. I have not put any kind of foundation on my face or any BB cream or CC cream. I just put this, and I'm done. So overall, I'm really happy with this compact, and I really like the overall result on my face. It controls the shine and controls the oil on my face. And whenever I think my skin is looking a little oily or greasy, I just use it I just do the touch up with this, and again my skin looks nice. So as I told you earlier, I have not put any foundation. I just applied this, and on that I put a little bit of blush and my lipstick and my kajal, and I really like the overall look of this product on my face, and I really recommend this to people who have oily skin, and even for dry skin you guys can give it a try. But I wanted to mention one thing, guys. With darker skin tones, please check in any store whether this color will suit your skin tone or not, because I'm not sure how this shade will look good on darker skin tone, because according to me, this color might look little cakey or ashy on darker skin tone. And so better you guys just check in any store and just apply it on your face and see whether it really works with gels with your face or not. Because for me, I didn't go to any store. I just ordered online, and I was skeptical, but it really worked for my skin tone, and you can just see yourself, it doesn't look my face doesn't look cakey or ashy at all. I really like the overall result on my face. But darker skin tone, I recommend you to try it out in any store and see whether the color is suiting your skin or not, and then you can buy. And yeah, so overall I really like this product, and I recommend this. If you really want to try out some good banana compact powder for you, you can try this one out. And yeah, so this was a review of this compact banana powder banana powder play banana compact from the brand Sugar. I hope this review was helpful for you guys, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care.